children, I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter 8, Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint.
Before entering into this chapter, I would like to ask one question from you all. See children, just tell me what is presentation? Presentation means communicating an idea or message effectively. It can be two modes, audio visual presentation and text based presentation. Do you all know how these presentations are created? These presentations are created using the software called as Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay children, what is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software used to create multimedia based computer presentation. Then these presentations are created in the form of slides. So slide can be considered as an individual page of an presentation. What is slide? The individual page in the presentation is called slide.
Okay children, in this video we will discuss the topic starting PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint window, getting help, creating a new presentation and working with slide. Okay children, now we will start the first topic starting PowerPoint. Before creating the presentation, we should start the Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we will see how to start the PowerPoint. You have to click the tile, then you can see the all application. Then you have to click the Microsoft Office. Under this button, you have to click Microsoft PowerPoint. That time PowerPoint will be appear with a blank presentation. This Microsoft PowerPoint window has various parts such as title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, toolbox, slide pane, work area, notes pane and status bar. Now we will see one by one each part. Okay children, now we will see about title bar. Title bar located at the top of this window. It displays the name of the application and name of the presentation. Before saving presentation, we can see this presentation name as a presentation 1. Here, left side of this title bar, we can see the quick access toolbar. Right side of this title bar, we can see the control buttons, that is minimize, maximize and close button. Next part is quick access toolbar. It is present at the top left corner of the title bar. It contains frequently used button, that is save, undo, redo buttons. Next part is ribbon. It is located at the just below the title bar. This ribbon is divided into tab. Each tab is divided into group. Each group contains buttons. These buttons are used to do the work in the presentation. Next part is slide pane. This pane is used to display all slides in a presentation as a thumbnail image. Next part is work area. It displays the enlarged view of this slide. Here we can add the text, picture, chart, etc. Next part is notes pane. Here we can add the speaker's notes. Part is status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of the screen. Left side of the status bar display number of slides and present slide number. Here right side of the status bar displays the different views of the slide and zoom control. Okay children, now we will move to the next topic, creating a new presentation. How to create a new presentation? Just click the file menu, then click new. The time new presentation dialog box appears. If you need blank presentation, click blank presentation. Here other choices also there. Template, click the template, various template will acquire. Select required one. Other choice is themes. Just click various themes are there, select required one. Now I am selecting blank presentation. Then click create button. The presentation is created. Okay children, now we will move to the next topic, working with slide. In this presentation we can add the new slide, delete a slide, then add in text into a slide, modify the text into a slide. These are the various activities we can do in this slide. First we will see about inserting a new slide. How to insert the new slide? Just click the home tab. In slides group you have to click the new slide button. That time various layouts will be appear. Select required layout. Automatically that slide is inserted into the presentation. This is one method. Next method is in slide pane, right click, then click new slide. That time new slide will be appear. Okay children, now we will see navigate between slides. Navigate means moving. Navigate between slides means moving from one slide to another. Now we will see how to move from one slide to another. There are three methods are there. First method, we are using the previous slide button and the next slide button. Previous slide button and the next slide button in the vertical scroll bar. This is the vertical scroll bar. Just click on the previous button, we can move to previous slide. If you want to move to next slide, you have to click next slide button. Then this is one method. The second method is you have to click on the slide. That time that slide is selected. Understand? Then third method is you can use the arrow keys in the vertical scroll bar. That also navigating from one slide to another.